Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've got your document open and the content ready. First, select the exact text or image you want linked. Selection scopes where the link will anchor. Once done, press Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on Mac, or choose Insert then Link from the menu. This opens the link dialog so you can paste a URL or search your drive. Do this now. It moves you from planning to the actual link creation step. Now paste the destination URL or type keywords to search Drive for a file. Google will surface matches. You can edit the visible text in the dialog so the link reads naturally. Click Apply or hit Enter to attach the link. Once applied, hover over the link text to reveal the small pop-up with options to open, edit, or remove. Use those to verify the target. This refinement avoids broken or misleading links. Finish by confirming access. If you linked a Drive file, open it and set sharing to the right audience. Otherwise, users will see permission errors. For external links, test by opening in a new tab to ensure the destination loads correctly. If a link fails, recheck the URL for typos, confirm the file's sharing settings, and then remove and reapply the link if necessary. This last troubleshooting step usually fixes visibility or redirection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.